Happy New Year. Happy 2023. Prima donnas, this year, this is gonna be our year. I want to just inspire you guys so that way you can refresh and restart this new year. Just reset yourselves and just set yourselves up for success. This year we are not procrastinating. We're not putting self-doubt into our heads. We are not putting fears into our goals. We are getting on our bullshit this year. In this video, I wanted to show you guys some of my tips and tricks that I like to do kind of like once a month just to reset myself, you guys. You want to become a content creator, you have to start with the mindset. You have to be self-disciplined and literally set goals for yourself. So if this is something that you want to do, whether it's start your YouTube channel, start your podcast, write a book, anything that you've been sleeping on, whatever it is that you've been like, damn, I want to do it, but I don't know. I hope that this video does inspire you to be like, you know what, I can do it. I can really get myself up and put my goals on a piece of paper and actually bring them shits to life. Because like I said, you guys, it all starts with your mindset and how you wake up every morning. Last year was just terrible. Last year was probably one of my hardest years. Not even gonna lie, like I've never had a year where I literally got so much in my head. And this year I'm trying to, I'm gonna be the whole entire opposite. We're not doing none of that this year. Starting from today, starting with this month of January, just trying to create new habits for myself and just, you know, like I said, set myself up for success. So hope you guys do feel inspired. If you do like videos like this, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Definitely before you go, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to reset for this year with me, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Bye. So jumping straight in, let's get into the disaster. Okay, so after the holidays, my room was literally like a tornado. I had leftover Christmas decor. My vanity was tragic, y'all. Like literally over capacity with makeup, all unorganized. My clothes was thrown everywhere. My background, listen, let's not even talk about it. I had like Ulta makeup, some makeup that I had from a campaign that I did with BEAUTIES. Like, girl, no. So first things first, we want to get rid of the phone. We do not want any distractions, and we're going to start with task number 1, which is clean and declutter your space. If your space is cluttered, you guys, I tell you not, you are going to be so unmotivated, you're not going to want to do anything. So I highly recommend to just take a day out of the week just to reset, whether that's even like moving your bed around or moving around your furniture. I like doing that also from time to time, just to, like I said, give my room just a new kind of like aura. I hate when everything is the same for too long. It starts to drive me crazy. When I wake up and I see prima donna, it reminds me to get my ass up and let's get into prima donna mode. If you own these little acrylic cube things, you know that they get hella dusty. So here and there, you definitely do have to go inside them and clean them. I'm just going to clean or whatever inside my black drawers. The black drawers are more or less like my newer makeup and makeup that I do want to test out. And then these white drawers, like these wider ones that I have next to it, these are more like wider, so I can like see my makeup more on display. So I do have these more like sorted by brand. I do have a ColourPop drawer. This top one is more or less kind of like the makeup that I'm accumulating for a giveaway. But yeah, I'm putting away all of the Juvia's stuff that was sent to me. So shout out to Juvia's for sending me the color candy shop collection, which I did show you guys over on my Instagram reels. So if you guys want to see that, go over there. And this top drawer, I'm just putting away all of that newer makeup that was just thrown in that Ulta bag because I did get caught in the rain, so my Ulta bag broke. So yeah, I was gonna do a haul, but I was just like, you know what, let me just put my shit away. So I went and I'm done with the bag. So now I'm gonna clean my vanity, which is my least favorite part, you guys. I hate cleaning my vanity. Every time I sit down and do my makeup, not the chips, okay, I had the munchies last night but yeah, every time I sit down and do my makeup, it's like I do not know how to put anything back in its place. It's so annoying. I annoy myself, y'all, because why do I have to make such a tragic mess every time I want to get beat? Like, I don't understand. Why does glam session mean all the time tornado? But anyways, we are not doing that no more in 2023. Okay, I'm really trying to stop that bad habit of like You know what I'm saying? Not always making a huge fucking mess every time I film or even do my makeup. Anyways, as far as the Christmas decor, yes, sis, you gotta go. We're not doing Christmas no more. I'm over Christmas. So everything that was in my room that was all Christmassy in my background, yeah, bye bye, bye bye. So now I'm just wiping down all of my shelves, making them look nice and clean. I'm also taking out my plaque, my baby. Okay, I had to just remind myself, bitch, you've came so far, okay? Because sometimes I do put a lot of self-doubt in my head. So I just, had to wipe my baby down and just, give her a little moment. But anyway, we're moving on to task number 2, which is your new essentials. So it's no surprise we're going to Target, period. So I'm in Target. Of course, I had to grab some groceries, some cleaning supplies for my house, some dog food, some toothpaste, the whole shebang. But one thing I really did want to stress is to get yourself a planner. This new year, you want to be scheduled, you want to be organized. So I cannot stress enough how important, okay, getting a planner. And shopping for a planner is so fun, you guys, because you want to get one that literally speaks to you and your style. This one was a little too blue, too purple. So, my favorite color is green. So once I seen this one with the plants, I was like, that one is it. And then I also did get this super cute notebook to also write down kind of like my content ideas. You can also definitely get one of these like marker boards. I also did need to get some new bed sheets for my bed because, like I said, new year, I just wanted new bedding. So yeah, another thing that I really, really wanted to do for the new year was rent a storage. I am so tired of all of the clutter in my room, especially with all of the PR. So yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm about to redo my beauty room again. No more beauty space in my bedroom. I'm actually gonna have a whole beauty room again, so I'm excited about that. So congratulations to me and Lewis because we actually ended up taking this storage unit. So now I have a storage, so I'm so excited about that. Now I can actually start my beauty room. So now that I'm back home, I'm gonna work on task number 3, which is set a new vibe. This can be in your bedroom, it can be in your living room. So as you guys can see, when I went to Target, I did get some new decor for my shelves, and y'all know I am the coffee queen. So once I seen these little cute little coffee decor, I was like, yes, this just screams Leslie in my background. And I just wanted to make my background very custom to me. So I did decide to go ahead and add my little bedding on my bed, just like I said, to add some newness to my room. I also did get this manifest journal. I didn't get to show you guys in Target, but just so that way I could start manifesting again and writing all of my affirmations. So yeah, and I love the little blue eye thing that was on it, so that way, no evil eye gets into any of my goals. But anyways, I did call Lewis to help me because my mattress is so heavy, y'all, and bitches is not trying to break a nail trying to put these new sheets on. No, not today. So yeah, y'all already know I have to be on my prima donna shit, so I have to call Lewis. And girl, not me messing up the bed, because after Lewis helped me do the bed, now I want to start voguing on it. I'm dead. And then I ended up messing up all the bed sheets, so now I'm annoyed because now I have to fix them. And I'm like, wow. Not me once excited, and then now it just added more work for me to do. But anyways, we want to go ahead and fix the bed, throw in my new quilt. I love a furry quilt. Oh my God, fur in my room. You guys know I love animals, so it's just my vibe. So this is the finished room. You guys know I love me some LED lights, lit my little candles, got my diffuser. My room is such a vibe. Like, point of view, you're a girl and you're coming into my room. It's literally giving prima donna headquarters. It's giving get the fuck out. It's giving nobody bother me. I love it. It's so motivating. It's literally like I want to get out of bed and start doing my work. I want to start editing. I want to start filming. So that's why I'm literally showing you how important it is, like I said, to just reset. So now moving on to task number 4 is to create new habits for yourself. And as you guys know, I just finished battling H. pylori, which was a bug that was in my stomach. And I did lose a lot of weight. So I'm on my weight gain journey. So I found this naked mask. This is kind of like a protein shake. And baby, 12,000 calories. Stop playing with her. Bitch, I've gained 8 pounds since I got this, and I've been so strict on myself to drink it every single day. And I'm so happy because I've been actually seeing a lot of improvement with eating 3 meals a day and incorporating this shake as well, just to give me an extra boost. And like I said, I've been actually seeing me gain weight so fast. So girl, if you're struggling with your weight gain, I got you, sis. Here I am to put you on. Definitely get the naked mask. I got it on Amazon. So now moving on to task number 5 is self-care. Self-care is self-love, y'all. Listen, 2023, love yourself. I cannot stress this enough. Dedicate time to love yourself, whether that is just doing a face mask, lighting some candles, reading a book, watching your favorite show. Make time for yourself. So right now I'm going to give myself a little spa day, self-care day. I also did want to try some new skincare products because I want to do a new skincare routine for my new year. Y'all already know, new year, new skincare routine. So I'm so obsessed with most of the stuff that I tried in my little routine that that I did today, especially that Ole Hendrickson Boost Moisturizer and the Fenty Toner. So the skin is skinning, and what better way to start your year with glowing skin? So moving on to our last task, which is plan and manifest. Write down all of your goals, your affirmations, everything that you see yourself doing and more this year. Okay, when you write it down, it is possible to speak it into existence. And I promise you, if you stay dedicated and stay consistent to your goals, they will come true. So right now I'm just going in my planner and I'm just writing down my agenda for the month, all of my upload days, the days that I have to pay my bills, the days that I get paid, just, keeping myself on track, important days for autumn school. But the next page, and the next page that I really want to stress, is definitely your daily to-do list. You want to stay organized. You want to literally write down everything that you want to get done in your day and stay on track. And I promise you, that's your first step to being your own girl boss. Then I have this separate little notebook which I write all of my content ideas, whether I'm gonna film them or not. I want to write everything that I have in my brain down, because you never know, one day. And now, last but not least, I highly encourage you guys to create a mood board for the year. And this part is super fun. So, I literally just got on my iPad and I went on Google or Pinterest and I just started saving a bunch of pictures that you like, that inspire you to literally set your mood for the year. So if you're trying to be on your money shit, whether you're trying to drink water, travel, get your passport, anything that it is, girl, you want to add that into your mood board. So I like to create my mood board on Canva. That's how I make all of my girly cute little thumbnails and things like that. Canva is super easy to use. So if you guys still are not on Canva, I don't know what you're waiting on. But yeah, it's basically an app or a website that you could get on and create cute little shit. So yeah, this is my mood board and I love it. As you guys can see, it's just everything that I want to be and more in this new year. And I did post it on my Instagram. If you guys do want to save it or whatever as a wallpaper, feel free. But yeah, highly encourage you guys to make your own mood board. But yeah, that was mine, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you feel inspired to, like I said, get your ass up and do what you gotta do. Create your new habits, declutter your space, set your vibe, and definitely stay on your shit this year. So yeah, beauties, I hope you did enjoy this video. Leave me down a comment below and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, girl boss.